Hello everyone, bonjour à tous, welcome to the French desk. I hope you're all doing good at your places and you're all safe and sound. So today we'll begin with the third lesson of our book Enchanté, which is à la cantine, which means at the canteen. Okay, let's read this dialogue. Hey Paul, did you know France uses 12 different time zones, the most for any country in the world? Yes, France has territories outside France which are spread all over the world and which they colonized from 16th to 19th century. This is more of a general knowledge thing. Okay, you can keep it in mind. Okay, let's read these. This girl over here asks, Tu es au cinquième? Tu, as we have seen in the previous videos, is used for you in an informal way. A is are, you are, in, cinquième, which means fifth. You are in cinquième, so tu es au cinquième. I'll tell you about cardinal and ordinal numbers here. The numbers we have learned from 0 to 20 in the previous videos are cardinal numbers. So here what we have written is a ordinal number. So you can take any number, for example cinq or the. If you have to transform them into ordinal numbers, you simply add em to the ending, which is I, E, accent grave, M, E. The same way for deuxième, so D, E, U, X, I, E, M, E. So this becomes second. This is the, two, and deuxième is second. I hope you understand the difference. So the same way, fifth is cinquième and simply 5 is cinq. Okay. Another important thing, first. We have a difference when we write first. It is not unième. It is première, just as in English we say première. In French it is première. And if you want to say the word last in French, it is dernier. Okay, and rest all the numbers are turned into ordinal numbers with this ending, which is em. I'll upload a list of ordinal numbers till 20 in my Telegram channel. You can access them via the link provided in the description box. Okay, so tu es au cinquième? Oui, je suis au cinquième, the boy replies. Yes, oui, je suis au cinquième. I am in fifth. Okay. Next. She asks, Vous êtes dans quelle classe? You are in which class? Vous êtes dans quelle classe? He replies, Nous sommes en cinquième, mais Clara est en sixième. Nous is we are en cinquième in fifth, but mais is but. Clara est en sixième. Clara is in sixth. The same way, 6 becomes sixième. Okay? I hope you have understood the dialogues on this page. Next, we are going to study les pronoms sujets, subject pronouns. So whatever I am going to teach you from this page onwards is very important and it would form the foundation of your learning of the language. So please pay attention and try to understand. These are pronoms sujets like I, you, he, she, it. These are singular and these are plural. So singulier and pluriel. I is je. So je. Tu, as you all know, it is you in an informal way. Next, il. Il is he, and il is also used for it, for an object or animal, for a masculine one. So il is used both for he or it if it's masculine. Elle is used for she, and elle is also used as it for a feminine object or animal. Now let's read the plural ones. Nous is we. So nous. You. So vous is also you, as I've told you earlier. Vous would be used when you're talking to more than one person or you're talking to a group. So if this boy is talking to 3 persons at the same time, he would use vous if he's addressing them all together. And vous is also used for people who are older to you as respect. So you use vous, not tu, in these cases. Il is they. ILS, it is not pronounced as ils, it is pronounced as il, and this means they. Il is used when you're talking to a group of 2 boys or more than one boy, or you're talking to a group which includes both boys and girls. So you would use il when you're talking about them to a third person. And elle is they for a group of girls when there are more than one girl. So elle. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Okay, this is also not pronounced as else, this is elle. Now let's learn to conjugate the verb être, which means to be. This particular conjugation is extremely important as this is the most used, it is one of the most used verbs in French, and it would probably be used in every sentence you use. So let's learn. The verb être, to be, is the most frequently used verb in French. Let's see its conjugation. In all our conjugations, you would see the same pronoun sujet. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Only the verb changes, these remain the same. Okay? So let's begin. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is, it is. Elle est, she is, it is. So whenever you want to say I am, you would say je suis. Whenever you would want to say you are to a single person, you would say tu es. If you would want to say he is or it is, you would say il est. And when you would want to say she is or it is, you will say elle est. So if I want to say I am a student, I am student, okay? So you would say je suis étudiant. Since I am a girl, so I am adding an E here at the ending. So je suis étudiante. Okay? If you want to say the same sentence to another person, so you would say tu es étudiant. Étudiant if he's a boy or male, and you can add E if it's feminine. Okay?